Hey Artland, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a xenomorph surprise fold. So to start off with this, we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in half. So I'm going to take my paper and I'm just going to line up the corners and I'm going to fold it in half just like I'm making a card. And you just want to push down the fold just like this. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to just fold down one end of the flap. So I'm just going to fold it down right to there. Then that way I can open it up just like this to make a surprise fold. So to start off with this, we're going to make the xenomorph's face. I'm going to draw that right over here. So to start off with this, we're going to kind of have it so it's just kind of like peering off onto the paper. So I'm going to start right here in the corner and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve. And I'm just going to kind of curve it down to about here. Then I'm going to start right here and I'm going to add a little line. It's going to kind of curve in and down. And I'm going to make a little longer one right there. And then I'm just going to put one more right here, and I'm just going to kind of curve this line down like this a little bit. And I'm just going to kind of bring it up here. Then right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes down and up. And I'm going to do that a few more times, just to kind of add a little bit of the teeth in here, and I'm going to bring it up right to here. Then I'm just going to add some little kind of curved lines at the top for the teeth. Then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to draw it right on top of the fold. You want to kind of line it up best you can. It's a little tricky sometimes. And I'm just going to draw it right to there. Then, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve across. And then I'm just going to make a line that kind of goes around and then kind of comes back. Then I'm going to add some teeth right here too. So I'm just going to add some little teeth on here. And then I'm going to add just a few kind of little curved lines right at the bottom for some detail. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes out, and that's just going to kind of curve up. It's going to go out like this, and then just kind of curve up to here right before I get to the fold. Then starting here, I'm going to add like a little curved line or two, and then a little line that just kind of goes down here. Then starting here, I'm just going to make a little line that just kind of curves right around. And then I'm going to add a little bit of like a curved line right there. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw another line that just kind of goes right up to here. Then I'll add a couple little curved lines here, a couple little lines right there. And then I'm going to add just a couple little lines kind of coming right around here. Then I'm going to add just some quick little curved lines on here. And then I'm going to open it up. So now when I open it up, I'm going to kind of draw some of these teeth down just a little bit more, just to kind of clean them up a little bit. And the xenomorph is famous for having that kind of crazy, mouth or that crazy tongue that sticks out. So I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a long line that's just going to connect right to here. And then I'm just going to draw another long line that's going to go right to here. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up here, and I'm just going to draw a line that just kind of goes up. And then I'm going to fold this down. And I'm just going to draw a line down here, and I'm just going to kind of curve it right to there. Then I'm just going to add some kind of quick little details in here, just some kind of long little lines. I'm going to bring this line up a little bit farther. Can add some little kind of long lines going down into here. I'm going to add maybe another little line that kind of goes right down into here. It'll just kind of go right off the paper. We kind of add a couple more when it's folded up. And I'm just going to add a couple of these little lines just to kind of curve into here. Then we want to have that kind of crazy tongue sticking out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start right here. And I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of come out like this. We'll add a couple little bumps on the end. And then I'm just going to add a little line that goes up. It's going to come down like this and kind of curve around. Add a little line that goes down, and we're going to do the same thing, kind of curve around. And a little curve line, a little line that goes up. Add a couple of extra lines, and we're just going to bring it all the way back to here. I'm going to add another little curved line right around here, and another one right here. And then we'll add a little line in here, and another one right there. Then I'm just going to add some quick little kind of curved lines going down the tongue. Put some at the bottom too, make them a little smaller. And then we can always kind of add a couple little extra little lines right around here. I'm going to come in here and just kind of add a little bit of like some texture lines onto some of these. Just to kind of give it a little bit more detail. I'll do the same thing to some of these, just kind of add some quick little extra lines, some texture lines everywhere. And then when you close it up, you have your little xenomorph face growling, and then when you open it up, you've got the long tongue sticking out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.